Please leave a message after the tone.
Beep. Hey, babe. Since you left, it has been like 5 hours and I haven't heard from you. Give me a call as soon as possible.
Please leave a message after the tone. Beep.
Hey, babe. It's early in the morning. It's been hours and I haven't heard from you. What's up? Give me a call. I don't understand. Why am I not hearing from him? Is he okay? Let me try again.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Babe, it's been 3 days. Where are you? Oh, you just disappeared. Give me a call as soon as possible, please. It's been 1 week. 1 week and I cannot hear from him. I'm going to send him a text message because I don't understand. I wonder if he's okay. I don't understand. Everything was perfect. And then he said that he'll be back, but he never came. What did I do? I need to send him a text message.
Babe, what did I do to you? Why did you just leave me like that? Did I do anything? If I did anything, please forgive me. I'm sorry. Please, come back. Baby, talk to me. Answer me, love. I love you. I'm looking for your call. Take care. I love you, babe.
Oh my God, this is so painful. I just want to...
Five hours later.
Oh my God. Oh, my head hurt. Oh. Nothing. Nothing. What did I do? What did I do wrong? I wish you would just forgive me. I don't know what I do, but if you would just forgive me. Let me try and call him. Someone answer the phone. Babe, don't say anything. It's okay. I just want to say something, babe. I don't know why you're not talking to me, but I have something I want to tell you. Please forgive me. I know not what I do. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you. Don't deny me the pain I'm going through. Please forgive me. Oh, I need you like I do. Please believe me. The words I say is true. Please forgive me. I can't stop loving you.
And who are you?
Hello?
Who do you want to talk to? I'm currently talking on my husband's phone.
Sorry, I think I have the wrong number.
You did not get the wrong number.
That is just how my husband is. He's a loser. Whenever I leave, he just pick other women. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cause any trouble, but he told me that he was single. That's what he always do. He always said that he's single. And I'm tired of this. Every time I leave, that's what he do. I'm sorry. Don't be sorry. I am sorry for what my husband did to you. Every time I leave the country, that's what he did to every woman. And I'm tired of it. I'm gonna do something about it. Oh my God. Oh God, I feel so stupid. I feel so stupid. I feel so betrayed. I feel so stupid. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Will I be able to even see him so I could tell him what's going on? I can't do this on my own. I can't.
Today, this is the photograph of the man who was shot in his car multiple times in the head. Police are still investigating on the motive of this shooting. We will take a short break and come back for Sports Watch.
No. 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 No, 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 no. No, no, no. What am I going to do? No. No.
Hello?
Hey, Sue.
Yes? What's up, girl?
Have you seen the news?
What?
Someone killed him. You were shot.
So why are you crying? You should be happy for that bastard did to you. Why are you crying?
That's not the point.
Then what is the point?
There's no father for my child.
You're pregnant? Oh my God. Hey guys, thank you for watching my videos. Remember to like, comment, and share. If you did not like my page or follow it already, please follow for more interesting, inspirational, and funny videos. Remember to check me out on YouTube at Tremaine Copeland. Subscribe to my channel. Peace.